Hey y'all, on this episode we're going to work on replacing door lock cylinders on the 86 C10 Hutch. If you've never taken one of these off, it's got a little groove. And this keeper spring just sits down in that groove. And basically when you use that tool, it just pushes the spring off. And whenever I'm not on camera, this goes real fast. Come on. It's your home. Don't you want to go to your home? Are you too good for your home? Go to your home. It's your home. There we go. So it hooks on just like that. And then when you take it off, this little tool is just pushing that spring off. Nifty as that. Alright. Let's see what kind of surprises await for us behind the door panel. First thing that waits for us is there's missing screws. So half the screws aren't even in the door. There were only two across the bottom when there should be four. It's a surprise, isn't it? Got one there. Wrapped. Here. Somebody's homemade door handle. That's impressive. Yeah, that's impressive. That's probably holding the whole truck together. That's the squeak of rusted screws, the sound of my people. Ta-da! So, Mr. Door Cylinder. Let's see. You know, sometimes it's nice to be able to put a little light on the situation. This one. good old-fashioned pair of pliers. I'd say that door lock cylinder's been in there a couple of years, mister. Couple of years. Like all of them. Let's see if we can reposition this back somewhere. There's not so much in the way. I'm here to tell you. Tab holds that lock cylinder in where it wants to be. Let's try a longer handle set of pliers, what do you say? When all else fails, see if you can jam some channel locks in there and grab a hold of it with them. Might as well give up because you're coming out of there. Don't make me go to the smoke wrench. I'd hate to have to burn a hole in the door just to get the lock cylinder out. Ooh, you're a stubborn old duck. Son, why do you want to fight me so badly? Oh mercy, somebody's been welding inside the door too. Nice. And we have success. There's the nasty little fella we were trying to take out. He had grown accustomed to his residence. And there's the lock cylinder that the previous owners have lost the keys to. Fortunately, new lock cylinders are not very expensive and not very hard to come by these days. So, shiny new lock cylinder with a new set of keys. On the back side of the lock cylinder is a neat little lock. Holds the actuator arm on. And I suppose it wants to make me look dumb too. That's fine. Don't want to come off. I I got a brand new one laying over there to replace you with. So you just come off any way you want to. In pieces is fine. So there's the old lock cylinder out. You see that clip there. When I remove it, I'm going to show you there is a groove that clip is under. I just passed my fingernail there. You have to kind of work it in that groove, and it's a little bit of a pain. There's the new lock cylinder, and you can see that groove. So when we put the locking arm on there, can't get my thumb out of the way so you can see everything all at the same time. You can see that groove there if I push that locking cylinder down. And then that little clip's got to go in there and push all the way back to lock. So now you can see it's pushed all the way back. And then there's a little hole right here. You pivot this, and this little piece right here goes in that little hole in the locking arm. So there's final assembly. It's locked down and ready to go back in the door. Hey, well, this is that part of the show where I'm going to stop and ask you if you would just click on that like button, please, and go ahead and click on the subscribe button too. You're going to want to see what's going on. You don't have to watch all our videos, but if you subscribe, you'll get an alert whenever we put something up. You'll know it's there. Okay, y'all, we have reassembled the door panel, ready to test it out. Inside door lock works. She locks, she unlocks, she locks. Perfect. Now when we go to the grocery store or that big box building supply down the street, or that place that sells bargain tools around the corner that I am not currently sponsored by, but I sure buy a lot of their tools, I can lock the truck and not have to worry about coming out and finding somebody that I don't know sitting in the truck having a lunch break or something odd like that. Please like the video, and please subscribe to the channel. We need more subscribers. And stay tuned. A lot more going on, a lot more work we're going to do. Have a great day.